Okay, just to review briefly, when you have a negative exponent, it switches the base to the opposite position and the exponent becomes positive. So there is no denominator here, so this is going down to the denominator. And now it's a positive 3. And you actually know what 2 cubed is, so you could write this as 1/8. This one has a negative exponent. It has nothing to do with the base sign. It's the exponent that we are concerned with. The negative exponent moves it up to the top. Nothing's in the denominator now, and -8 squared is 64. This had a negative exponent in the denominator, so it's going to go up to the numerator. You don't have to put anything in the denominator. If there's nothing there, that's fine. It's not wrong to put a 1 underneath, but you don't need that. These both have negative exponents, so they're both going to switch positions. This is going to come up top. This one's going to go on the bottom. And now we get x cubed because we have to use a little math that we learned before. When we are dividing, we actually subtract the exponents. Both of these are going to switch positions. We're going to have 2 cubed come up. 6 squared is going to go down. The exponents are now positive. This is 8/36. They're both divisible by 4, so you get 2/9. Here, this is interesting. The coefficient is 6. It stays on top. The x to the 7th, that was -7, moves. Only things that have negative exponents move. Again, that being said, this 5 and the -7 are coefficients, so they stay the same. The m to the 6th is moved up because it was a -6 here. We move it up. Here, this whole fraction is being raised to the -3rd power, so the whole fraction switches position, and now it's a +3, so that'll be 27/8. And again, here, this whole fraction is being raised to a negative, so the whole fraction switches positions, and now it's a +2. And x to the 3rd squared means x to the 3rd times x to the 3rd, which is x to the 6th. And y to the 4th squared means y to the 4th times y to the 4th is y to the 8th.